Using question words positive. What does he do? What did he do? What will he do? What is he? What is he doing? What was he? What was he doing? What will he be? What will he be doing? What does he have? What has he done? What did he have? What had he done? What will he have? What will he have done? What has he been? What has he been doing? What had he been? What had he been doing? What will he have been? What will he have been doing? What must he do? What must he be? What must he be doing? What must he have? What must he have done? What must he have been? What must he have been doing? What can he do? What can he be? What can he be doing? What could he have? What could he have done? What could he have been? What could he have been doing? What may he do? What may he be? What may he be doing? What may he have? What may he have done? What may he have been? What may he have been doing? Why is he called? Why was he called? Why will he be called? Why is he being called? Why was he being called? Why has he been called? Why had he been called? Why will he have been called? Why must he be called? Why must he have been called? Why can he be called? Why could he have been called? Why may he be called? Why may he have been called?